Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the date on your Casio Illuminator watch. Today's model is going to be the W756, but this tutorial is going to apply to other Casio Illuminator watch models out there. The first thing that we want to do is to make sure that we are in our home screen, so where the time and date is displayed. In case you do not see those, make sure to press the mode button until you arrive there. So I'm going to go past the alarm and I'm going to arrive in my home screen. Right here is where I want to press and hold the adjust button for around 3 seconds, and I'm going to hear a small beep. Here we are going to arrive at the main settings of the watch, so the time, the date, DST, home city, and so on. I'm going to use the mode button in order to toggle between the various features of the watch. I'm going to go past the setting of time, and now we are going to arrive at setting the date. Here I can press the stop button in order to go forward, or I can press the reset button in order to go backwards. You can also press and hold in order to speed scroll, so that is something really cool. Let's make it 2030. Now I'm going to, so the first one was the year. Now I'm going to press the mode button, and here we have the month. Once again, the speed scroll function is going to work, so I can press and hold. Let's make it the 24th of December. So here I have the 12th month. This is going to be December. I'm going to press the mode button once again, and here I can make it the 24th. Once again, we can go in both directions, so in case you go too far, you are going to press the button on the right corner and it is going to go backwards. As you can see, I have the 24th of December 2030. In case you are trying to set the day of the week on your Casio Illuminator, Casio watch, Casio G-Shock watch, you won't be able to, because Casio has memorized the entire calendar, and if you set these three correctly, it is going to automatically and correctly display the correct day of the week for you. In case you made a mistake, and let's say I want to make the year 2031, I'm going to press the mode button. It is going to cycle back from the beginning, so we have the seconds, DST, home city, hours, minutes, and we are going to arrive once again at the year. I'm going to make it 2031, and now I'm going to press the adjust button in order to finalize the process. And the watch calculated automatically that the 24th of December 2031 is going to be a Wednesday. So guys, in case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of this particular model, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to the full guide, as well as a video on how to adjust the bracelet and also how to replace the watch battery. All of these links are going to be found in the description box below. In case you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. Also, make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, including a few Casio digital watch models. Link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.